Welcome to BidLight. This tutorial will guide you through Revit plugin within the BidLight Revit suite designed to export all project data, including 3D elements and their metadata information, to BidLight server to facilitate automated estimation. Click on Project Export button from BidLight Revit plugin to bring up the project's UI. Click on Create New Project. Input all the required details, such as project name, project number, and description. The Edit Parameter collection will allow you to select the Revit parameters you want to include in the export process. Select the required parameters and click on the arrow pointing to the right to push those parameters to the Selected Parameters box. Click on OK, and then the Create button to create your project. Your project is now created. Click on the Export button to configure your export process. First step is to select if you would like to include linked files in your export. Accordingly, select or unselect the linked files. You can also update your parameter collection in this step if required. Click Export to move to the next step. In this step, the user should ensure the milestone is captured correctly, the matching parameter that is used to map with cost template, and the filtering parameter used to differentiate the BOQ for different projects are appropriately selected. Click OK when done. The export process will be initiated, and the user will be able to observe the progression of the export. Once all the data is gathered, the BOQ will be displayed to the user to verify. Once the BOQ is verified, click on Export to complete the export process. The export will progress, and once exported successfully, a pop-up message will prompt the user to proceed with estimation through the desktop application.